What's up YouTube fam?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today I'm going to share with you guys all the things that you should have in your natural hair toolkit. So if that sounds interesting to you, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing you should have in your natural hair toolkit is a wide tooth comb. Now, what you need a wide tooth comb for is for detangling, because if you're coming from relaxed hair or flat iron hair, you're probably used to like combing your hair with like the little thin comb or maybe even a rat tail comb. I know when I used to have my hair flat iron, I would comb my hair with the rat tail comb or whatever, just throw it in my purse and go. But once you become natural, these things will rip out your hair. You cannot comb your hair with these little thin combs anymore. Child, quiet as it kept, this thing probably won't even go through your hair. So get you a wide tooth comb to detangle. Now they do have combs that are wider than this, but I feel like this is perfect for me. Ever since I got it, I've been using it. This is the best thing for me when it comes to detangling my hair. If you see my other video, my Amazon favorites video, I think I mentioned it there too. This is a true favorite of mine. I love this comb, but any wide tooth comb will do. Just make sure you don't get any combs like this, okay? This will not do anything for your hair. The next thing to add to your toolkit is a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase, whichever one. This just protects your hair from rough fabrics like cotton. Cotton is very rough on our hair. It's very drying. It'll suck out all of the moisture out of your hair. So if you have any type of satin pillowcase or a satin bonnet, it'll just give you a barrier between your hair and the rough fabric. The next thing to add to your toolkit is a clarifying shampoo. Lately, I've been using the Kaleidoscope Therapeutic shampoo, and I like it because my hair feels clean but not dry afterwards. Like, you know, sometimes some shampoos, like your hair feels like really dry or stripped, but I find that this one doesn't do that. So I really do like this shampoo, but it doesn't have to be this one. This is just what I like, but you just definitely need a good clarifying shampoo, because when you're doing wash and goes or protective styles, especially if you're using like a lot of heavy creams or heavy gels, all of that stuff is getting stuck on your hair. But if you're using those overly moisturizing shampoos that don't really clean your hair, or if you're doing a lot of co-washing, you're not really getting rid of all of that buildup and all that product. So I definitely suggest that you have a good clarifying shampoo. Your next toolkit must have is a deep conditioner or a hair mask. For me, if you've seen my videos before, you guys know that my favorite is the SheaMoisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I love it. I use it every time because I'm always about getting as much moisture in my hair as possible because I am low porosity. But they do have different deep conditioners for all types of hair depending on your needs. Like they have deep conditioners for color treated hair. They have strengthening deep conditioners if your hair is brittle or weak. There's high porosity deep conditioners. They have like shiny curl enhancing deep conditioners. Like whatever problem that you feel like you have with your hair, or if there's something that you want to focus on, there is a deep conditioner for it. So get you one. Alright, and another item for your toolkit are leave-in conditioner. Now I have two that I go back and forth with. It just really depends how I feel. But those two are the Lay Hair Care leave-in conditioner and the tgin green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. These are the two that I like to use. This one is more lightweight, this one is a little bit more thick, but it all depends on what you like. Maybe if you have fine hair, you might want to go with a lightweight leave-in conditioner versus someone who has thicker hair that might can do a more heavy leave-in conditioner. But whatever leave-in conditioner you get, just get one, y'all. You need a leave-in conditioner because after you wash your hair and all that stuff, you need some type of moisture to put on your hair before you start styling. Next thing to add to your toolkit is either a styling gel or a styling cream. If you watch a lot of natural hair videos, or if you follow a lot of natural hair YouTubers, you would know that there are some natural hair YouTubers who are just gel. They love the gels, and then you have some that hate gels and they use more of the styling creams. I am a gel girl. I use gel on my natural hair, and I use the Wetline Xtreme. This is my go-to. This is my baby. I mention it in every video. This is what I use. It is a heavy gel though, so again, if you have fine hair, if you have low density hair, you might not want to use this. You might want to go with a lighter gel, or you can go with, like what I said, a light styling cream. But styling cream, styling gel, whatever, just get you one. You are going to need some type of styling product to hold your hair, so get you one. The next thing for your toolkit is a water bottle. Guys, you need this water bottle because while you're doing your hair, as you're styling, you know, you start in the back, your hair is damp, but by the time you get to the front, your hair is dry. And as you know, as a natural, it is hard to style dry hair. Like if you're trying to do a wash and go, twist out, or anything, it's always better to do it on damp hair. And so if your hair is drying out, The back will look good, but the front won't look good. Or if you start at the front will look good, but the back won't look good. So you need a water bottle so that way when your hair dries out, you can just do a little quick spray and you good. You on your way. Next item is a deep conditioner cap or a processing cap, which are like these little cheap plastic caps that you can get from like Walmart or the beauty supply store or whatever. They look like this. You see like the clear plastic shower cap looking things. And this is for when you do your deep conditioning treatments. Once you put your deep conditioner on, you can just throw this cap on over your head and just let that sit for however long your deep conditioner says, and then take it off and rinse it out. And the point of the conditioning cap is that it traps all the heat so that way the deep conditioner can penetrate your hair strands more. This is a pack I got from Walmart. It was like 15 caps in here. I think it was like maybe 98 cents, 99 cents. They're super cheap. They're very cheap. So I do suggest that you get these as well. So the next item to add is a styling brush. Now this is like an off-brand Denman brush. I actually bought the Denman brush and I didn't like it, so I went back to this, which I got from Sally's. But it just helps style your hair better if you're doing like wash and goes or anything like that. When you're brushing it through, it just really helps clump your curls together. So that's why I like it. Whenever I'm about to start on a new section of my hair, I always brush it first with this and then go into my styling. And last but not least, another item that you should add to your natural hair toolkit is a hooded dryer. Especially if you're a natural that does a lot of wash and goes, having a hooded dryer changed the game for me once I learned about it, and it'll do the same for you, honey, I'm telling you. So the reason that the hooded dryer is important is because for some naturals like me, we have a huge problem with frizz. So whenever I would do a wash and go, it would start out frizz free, but while I'm letting my hair air dry, my hair would just get frizzier and frizzier. And so I got the hooded dryer because basically with the hooded dryer, however you get in the hooded dryer is going to be how you come out. So if you're coming in frizz free, you're going to come out frizz free. And so this is why I got this baby, and I love it. No frizz at all. And it doesn't have to be a fancy hooded dryer or anything like this. It can just be one of your regular tabletop hooded dryers. It doesn't matter. As long as you have something that's going to set your hair, you're good. Alright guys, so those were all of the items that you should have in your natural hair toolkit, especially if you are a beginner, if you're new to this. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video if you care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.